Well, here in Karnataka, it's never a dull day as far as politics is concerned, is there? Time and again, there are comments that are made by some of the, Congress leaders themselves, and the BJP always uses that opportunity to, mount a lot of attacks on the Congress. That's exactly what's happened in the latest, of course, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, while he was speaking at a felicitation event in Bengaluru, while a senior advocate who's also considered as a close friend of Mr. Siddaramaiah, they were felicitating him. He recalls the time in 1991 when he was with the Janata Dal. At that point in time, he says he lost that election, but there was something amiss. He indicates that he was cheated. And then there was a case that was filed, and it was his friend, Mr. Ravi Kumar Verma, who actually filed that case. The BJP now has picked up this and said, well, this is a person who was in the JDS who's talking about a time where a Congress candidate defeated him and through means of cheating. So this is the Chief Minister of Karnataka talking about electoral fraud during the time of 1991 when he was with the JDS, and it was the Congress at that point in time which committed this electoral fraud is the charge that's coming in from the BJP. Before we listen to the reactions, let's listen to what the Karnataka Chief Minister said.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು 91ನೇ ಇಸ್ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಸೋತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಅದು ಮೋಸದಿಂದ ಸೋತೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆಗ ಇವ್ರ ಕೆಲ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿದೆ ನಾನು. LG ಅವನೂರವರು ಕೂಡ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇವರು ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವರೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ₹1 ಫೀಸು ತಗೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ವಕೀಲರುಗಳು ಕೇಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಪುಕ್ಕಟೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದು ಭಾಳ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಈ ಥರ ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವರಿಗೆ.
Now, while the Karnataka Chief Minister, of course, probably didn't even realize that this could turn out into a all-out controversy, the BJP hasn't really failed once again to really lap onto this issue. The BJP says that while there is a campaign that he's participating in Bihar, which talks about vote chori, this is a clear indicator of him exposing his own party. Let's listen to what the BJP is saying, and also followed by that, let's listen to the counter that's coming in from the Congress defending Mr. Siddaramaiah as well. How do you look at this particular statement coming in from Mr. Siddaramaiah?
In the ballot era, the Congress party was cheating the voters and winning the election. This has been confirmed by none other than Mr. Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister of Karnataka. In 1991, he lost to Basavaraj Patil Anwari, and Ravi Verma Kumar fought the election case for him. Today, it is an irony. Rahul Gandhi is accusing BJP of vote chori when his own legacy is winning by cheating and deceiving the voters.
Today, Mr. Siddaramaiah is also in Bihar. He's participating in the campaign there. How do you really look at it, considering the statement was made just last night?
If he is honest enough, he should confess and he should expose how he lost the election in 1991, how in the ballot paper era, Congress was winning the election. Will he dare to do it in front of Rahul Gandhi? That is the question.
Well, that's the charge from the BJP, going on to say that will Mr. Siddaramaiah dare to speak about the same thing that he did during this private event in front of Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Siddaramaiah, of course, is in Bihar to be a part of the Bihar election campaign, and also a part of the vote chori campaign that is being carried out by the Congress party there.
BJP cannot take something which happened 31 years back, and Siddaramaiah ji, when he was had gone to a felicitation of a friend who is an advocate, in that felicitation ceremony he was talking, and he was also referring that those people, the cheating part of it was mostly on those people inside JDS who were supposed to work for him but work for the opponent candidate. So I have also heard about him speaking about this in some other platform, personally also. So he had already said that JDS MLAs then, few of them, because of caste and community reasons, they had supported the opponent. Okay. So that is his inference what he was.
So you're saying that the BJP right now, which is saying especially him participating in the campaign in Bihar while he is making a statement like this, they are drawing two parallels here, sir.
See, BJP is caught red-handed now. Their alliance with the Election Commission is exposed. Election Commission is working like a puppet to the ruling party. They are no more fair and above the board. So Mr. Rahul Gandhi has exposed them with facts, figures, and their own conduct makes the people believe that Election Commission is subservient to the BJP and the ruling party. And the way they have amended laws, bring in new laws, is to shield the Election Commission from any more exposure.